Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera buat kita semua. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Posma Sariguna Johnson Kennedy from Universitas Kristen Indonesia, Jakarta, and I will make the presentation from the field of architecture. In the conference of CIRES 2022. Okay, I will share my presentation here. Yes, my title research is application of lean thinking in modern hospital architectural design Dermais Cancer Hospital, Jakarta. So here we see the introduction. Services at the Jakarta Dermais Center Cancer Hospital are very important to be improved. The obstacles faced by the hospital are limited facilities to help people living with cancer, temporary shelters, and the hospital environment in curing cancer. For efficient hospital development, integration between service units is needed. For example, an outpatient unit is a service unit highly integrated with other installations in the hospital in its operation. Other closely related installations include functional medical staff room units, hospital administration, radiology, laboratories, medical records, maintenance, logistics, pharmacy, and others. The form of direct observation of the integration system can be the basis for optimizing the room. The high demand resulted in many prospective patient queuing and waiting in the lobby. The linkage between units in the hospital shows a gap that can improve. Aims in a hospital, planning for health facilities and supporting medical equipment and services are important for treating patients with the right diagnosis of their disease. The number of medical equipment with renewable technology must be supported by the layout and infrastructure of a supportive hospital building so that this investment can be effective. This study aims to define a new paradigm for optimizing health services by adopting a lean thinking approach in the hospital design process. That is, by making improvements, especially regarding elements and space utilization in the hospital, so that the design of the hospital building can be effective in its space program. Methodology. This research is analytical with a qualitative approach through observation and case studies from hospital at Darmais Cancer Hospital, Jakarta. This research was conducted for quality improvement by understanding the problems the participants felt, which was realized by efficient design using lean thinking design inspiration. This case study effectively shows the relationship between the subject and the hospital system and building that will be the object of the research. Lean thinking is needed. Traditionally, an architect leads the design process, immediately starting to develop common alternatives based on a handful of hospital leaders' perspective, references, and experiences. While based on streamlining hospital operational needs or lean thinking, the emphasis on the emphasis is on processes that add value to patients. In traditional planning, the focus is on architecture, not hospital operation. Architects understand the life expectancy of the current building and where the next expansion is most appropriate. They estimate, prepare diagrams, and visualize the shape of the hospital building based on architectural studies. In today's hospital design, lean thinking is needed. It means that the hospitals need lead the design, not the architect. Through a series of studies, multifunctional teams look at how work is done today and how they can do it better in the future. Then design for the target. They research relationship and pathways across facilities. Much more of the planning and development process goes into the first phase of lean-led design. With lean thinking design, change include the amount of time spent in each phase, more in the early phase, less later. A completely different perspective comes from seeing each step as an opportunity to design more value for the patient into each process. And there is an opportunity to ask bold questions and change the general perception of how hospital can perceive value to patient. Design with lean principles focuses on consumer needs and the effectiveness of the building in its operations. The more lean thinking is used to consider operational elements in planning, the more effective the resulting design will be. Lean thinking to be applied to hospital design. Lean is widely adopted in healthcare practices. The reason is that lean thinking promises the most efficient use of resources. Resources in the field of health services are very valuable and need to be optimized to provide the maximum service, both in terms of the number of people served and the quality of services provided. Does on and or conclude that lean provides practical benefits for healthcare organization by changing the value flow of services, providing compassionate care to patients, improving the work system of doctors and nurses, and providing visible sustainable benefits to society. Lean thinking is also very important to be applied to hospital design. With lean thinking, it is hoped that the resulting design is the most efficient to answer the challenges of the times and in the future. Hospital design is done by identifying and eliminating waste or non-value adding activities through radical continuous improvements by flowing products and information using a pull system from stakeholders to pursue excellence and perfection. Architectural design plan from Darmais Cancer Hospital. Darmais Cancer Hospital is located on S. Parman Street, West Jakarta, Indonesia. The Darmais Cancer Hospital is a health service institution providing complete individual health and inpatient, outpatient, and emergency services. Here the example that we designed the new tower. This is the new tower, building C, 18 floors. The building for a woman and children cancer center will be built in the first development phase, focusing on executive patient services or non-government insurance. The old building is for the government insurance. This is the location of the tower C or building C. And then this is the example design we see here. On the ground floor, there is a comfortable waiting area. There is an admission place that is not too big because all patients are expected to have digitally registered. So they come at the appointed time. On the second, third, and fourth floors, a large atrium is different from the usual hospital. The concept of the waiting room becomes smaller, and it does not require a large lobby to accommodate the waiting room. Polyrooms are arranged on the third and fourth floors so that patients can eat and drink and more relaxed when they wait. This is the example design for the link thinking. And then another example, this we see these pictures. The facility is trying to be developed at large places or space for patients together with their family. Then there is an outdoor space so patients can also walk around. This place is to maintain comfort and create a sense of family before death because the patient cannot longer be treated. For doctor's office, the work desk is shared. It is not certain for certain specialist doctors, but they are expected to work here comfortably. It can also use this room can also be used for discussion or presentation regarding handling patient and research. Conclusion. The hospital is a building with complex planning. It has fundamental problem. The connectivity between function must be in harmony with the institution operation. This study reveals the optimization effort of hospital design, particularly at the Darmais Cancer Hospital Jakarta. So, operation and management can run effectively and efficiently through optimizing access and services. A change in architectural design is expected to add value to patient and the better management of key resources in terms of services, both in the form of access and better room layout. In today's hospital design, lean thinking is needed. Design with lean principle focuses on customer needs and the effectiveness of the building in its operations. The more lean thinking is used to consider operational element in planning, the more effective the resulting design will be. Thank you.